my beauty, welcome to Cream Tips. If it is your first time, what are you waiting for? You're missing a lot, guys. Okay, and if you haven't subscribed, subscribe, click that like button, click that share button, click that bell button, and also click the subscription button to subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate you guys so much for your support. Sorry I've not been uploading much. For those of you that asked me to do the part 3 of the pigment duo, is going to be coming out soon, very soon, which is going to be this month. It might be tomorrow, it might even be before the end of the week, but definitely I'm going to do it as soon as possible. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Really appreciate your support. Yeah, I just want to give you, I did a formulation just a few days ago, and I came across the fake of this, and I was super up. I was saying, wow. I had to throw the formulation away. Thank God I wasn't making a bigger batch. As when I was making a bigger batch, I would have stayed through everything up because of the chemical reaction that would have occurred. I don't know what it was made with. First of all, the content of this is oil. The original, this is the original, this is the fake. The content of the original is oil. Like if you have it in form of glycerin, it's always oil. It's thick, not too thick, but yeah, it's oil, not watery. But the fake one is watery, and it has a bit of oil in it. So that is the fake one. So I'm going to show you how the content looks. I've used this, but you can see it's oil. This is oil. I hope you guys can see. Yeah, you see, this is oil. And this, you can see the difference now. The fake one, it's just water. You see, this is oil, this is water. So you guys need to be very careful when you're buying products. So to get the, I'm going to give you 4 or 3 tips on how to spot the original. To spot the original, this is the, I'm just going to hold it this way and then point to it. This is the original, this is the fake. So for you to get the, spot the original of this product, from the lid is the same, the bottle is the same, and then from the label, that's where you're gonna get this from. And the first one is, you can see from the inscription on the label, this on the original is boldly written, while on the fake one is faintly written. It's not that bold. And next to it you have the remover, super whitening, skin perfector, which are well aligned together, no spacing. So when you see the write-up of this on the fake one, you see the remover, the super whitening, skin perfector, these are close together while these are far apart, not well aligned. Then next to it you have the cycle and an inscription of serum in it. So for you to know this circle has to be in alignment with this, as in when you draw a line across to the end of the the remover, it has to be the same, and to the other side when you draw a line just straight to it, it has to be the same. That is how the length of the circle has to be, and inside it has to have serum. Okay, why to the fake one you can see how small it is, the alignment is not right, you see. So next to it, and towards the end, you have this color. This color is the original. It has to be like orange or to red, while on the fake one is written is pink. So this is the fake one. So it has all the inscription written on the original on it. So when you go, and the funny part is that if you look at the pictures on the fake one is different from the picture on the original. So next to the picture you have the write-up spot remover. You can see on the original is well aligned, while on the fake it's just scattered. It's too small, and it's not, in fact, and the background is just similar to this. So this background. So next to it, to the right, you see this face, the female face. You have the before and after picture. Okay, the before, underneath it, underneath the picture and before, you have the acne, pimples and skin border. Is very good for those of you that have prone to acne, that you have acne scar left behind as a result of the breakout. It helps to clear acne. It's very good. And skin burnt, okay. And yeah, so on top of it you have this, the circle here. You can see where the circle started from, and when you compare to this started from like middle of it. So yeah, this is the fake one. So when you go underneath it, is the same inscription. So the inscription is don't mind me. Next to it you have the triangle. Inside the triangle you have number 1, figure 1. Then underneath the triangle you have PET, that is a PET. Next to the left hand side you have figure 3, same with the fake one. And underneath it you have 60 ml. Okay, so if you don't see any of this, don't buy it, okay. And sorry about the background. I'm cooking and also I'm doing laundry. So yeah, and that's how you spot the origin of this product. So you have to be careful. For those of you that formulate, I normally use this inside my super whitening glowing oil, and when I was doing it, thank God I wasn't using doing the bigger formulation, so I had to throw it away. So I just want to do this video, and I don't, so that it can help someone out there. I don't know where this video can help. And if you have a friend or family that are into skincare formulation or skincare, they are into skincare therapy, you can share this video with them. This might help someone out there. You never can tell. So be careful of fake product. One, you get adverse reaction from it, you waste your money, and also you end up treating reaction from it, and and you don't want any irritation as a result of buying a product with your hard-earned money, okay. And this product, if you want to use it, for those of you that are in Europe, you use this. It's very good to use during summer. And if you want to add, you need to add something into it, like oil. You can add almond oil, you can add jojoba oil or jojoba oil, you can add grapeseed oil, any carrier oil in it. But you have to be careful. To measurement goes a long way, okay, when you're adding, to help with your, to glow your skin. And also you can use it as your under eye cream remover. You can use it for stretch mark. Those of you that are formulating stretch mark cream, you can add it into it. It helps a lot to fade it and to reduce it to a minimum. It's also good for dark spots, as you can see from the right top, spot remover. It's very, very good. And yeah, this product is amazing, trust me. But you need to know the measurement goes a long way. You can't just use it on its own, okay. You have to mix it with something to use it. And those of you that wants to customize, you can also customize this, but you have to add something to it. And then yeah, oh, what do I want to say? For those of you that during summer, if you're using it during summer, that is sun, when there's sun. For those of you in Europe, understand when it's during summer. For those of you in Africa, during summer when it's sun, because we African, we do have loads and loads of sun. Ensure to use a sun cream protection. Now, if you're using the sun cream protection, because I mentioned sun cream protection doesn't mean you have to use a lot of it, because too much of sun cream protection also darkens the skin, okay. You have to know what you're using, the product, the good ones that are good. I might leave a name of the sun cream that you can use. I'm working on my website, for those of you that have been asking me. Sorry, my other website, so sorry, I sold it. So I'm doing a new one, so because I had to go off for some time, formulating big batch and all that is very overwhelming, okay. So I had to take a break for some time. So yeah, I'm back now. So yeah, for those of you asking me to do the part 3 of the pigment duo, I'm going to be uploading the video very soon. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe, and also like this video and hit the notification bell, okay. I love you guys. Thank you for your support. I really appreciate it. I came and I saw my subscribers, oh, 200 and something. I said, damn, unbelievable. Oh wow, thank you. I really appreciate that. That's shocking. Thanks so much. Let's make it up to 1K, okay. I love you guys. Subscribe, share to your friends and family, and be careful where you buy this from. The fake ones, there are loads and loads of fake one in the market, okay. Thank you. This will help you a lot, okay, for you to clear your dark spot when you implement into your cream, but if you get the fake one, it's not gonna work. Trust me. I'm not saying when you put it in your cream, it will fade your dark spot within 1 day or 2 days or 3 days. It's gradual process. You have to be patient, okay, and be consistent, okay. Thank you. Subscribe and bye.